Hello everyone, having issues with your Lively Flip phone? In this video, we will walk you through some easy troubleshooting tips to get your phone working perfectly again. Issue 1, Phone not turning on. If your Lively Flip phone won't turn on, it may have a dead battery. Charge the phone using the included charger. If it still doesn't turn on, consider replacing the battery by removing the back cover and inserting a new one. Issue 2, Network connection. SIM may not be detected, or there might be a service outage in your area, or the plan might have expired. Restart the Lively phone. Press and hold the on or off button to restart the device. Get a phone plan. Purchase or renew a phone plan to restore services. Reinsert the SIM. Turn off the phone. Remove the back cover. Take out the SIM card. Wait a few seconds. Then reinsert the SIM card securely and replace the back cover. Wait for some time. Allow a few minutes for the phone to reconnect to the network after restarting or reinserting the SIM before checking if the issue is resolved. Issue 3, Charging problems. If your phone is not charging, there might be an issue with your battery or power outlet. Check that the charger is properly connected to both the phone and the power source. Try using a different charger or outlet if issue persists. The charging port or the charger may need replacement. Issue 4, Freezing or crashing. For phones that freeze or crash, try restart the device. If that doesn't work, perform a factory reset. Hold down the on or off button and the volume button at the same time. Keep holding both buttons until the screen changes. Confirm that you want to reset the phone, knowing that this will erase all stored data including contacts, messages and settings. Issue 5, Lively Flip phone not ringing. The phone may be ringing but the phone is too low to hear. Also, damage to the speakers can prevent ringing sounds from being audible. Increase volume. Press the volume up button on the side of the phone until the desired volume level is reached. Repair speakers. If damaged, visit a Lively Service Center for speaker repair. Sixth issue, Lively Flip phone red light stays on. The red light indicates unread notifications. Check for missed calls, messages, or alerts.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.